YouTube, what's going on? So really quick, do a quick unboxing. Since I haven't, these are my Marathon shoes. Since a lot of people, I looked all the way on YouTube, everywhere on YouTube. I didn't see this colorway. Anyway, these are the New Balance Fresh Foam 1080 V12. These are the Lime edition, or the Marathon Day edition. I like bright colors. Try to go as bright as possible. So here we go. Yeah, lovely, lovely shoe. Lovely, lovely shoe. See the detail in there. You can pull this back. Yeah, haven't seen this colorway, so if anybody's debating on, whether they want to get this colorway, that's what it looks like. The bottom. Okay. Got these in a size 11.5, and they're fitted to my feet as well. So yeah, super cool. Get the details of it right here. And again, these are the Fresh Foam 1080 V12 New Balance for men. All right. That's all I got for you all. Peace, blessings, and I'm gonna give you all a review on what these are like. Like and subscribe. I'm out.